What a party that was. It's vlog time. So last night was our opening night for Miss Saigon and an awesome after party. It was so cool. This morning, I'm headed out to meet my parents because they leave this afternoon to go back home. We're going to brunch. It's gonna be good. I found them. We're a blue dog. No, you're fine. Finished up at brunch. My parents are going to get their stuff, and I'm sending them off. We're in Penn Station. Just dropped off the Errands. They're somewhere back there. I think they'll figure it out. They have an hour to figure it out, so they'll be okay. Quick stop at B&H Photo because, duh. Need an extra mic stand since my parents brought all my mic equipment. I only have one stand. I need two. Alright, dropped the rents off. Got a new mic stand and some toilet paper. Now it's time to edit yesterday's vlog. Let's do it. Yesterday's vlog is finally going up. It's uploading now. A lot of editing, but so good. Just a crazy, crazy night. 2 videos from yesterday, the ode to Miss Saigon and the actual vlog behind the scenes. Oh man, a lot of good stuff. All right, let's play with this audio stuff. See, you need one of the clips for the end of this thing, but this mic stand doesn't come with one. And it doesn't work like that. I gotta go get a mic clip. By the way, I didn't actually accomplish that fast. It took me a couple hours before I actually left, and I just edited it so it looked really cool. Alright, hi. So we're gonna do a test. This is my DSLR. And this is with just the built-in mic, and I'm gonna try plugging the mixer into this. This is our control test. Hope it goes well. Okay, so now, what am I sitting on? I have no idea if this is working, so hopefully it goes well. Alright, so now this should be working. This probably sounds great, and I can do fun vocals on it. Watch. Hello, hello.
This is what I would sound like if I was super awesome.
Yeah! No.
I guess this one is pretty good too.
Okay, keep quiet, don't shout. The ambassador won't leave till everyone's out. Graham will get it.
Radio effect. Oh, that's not exciting. Filter cam.
Telephones. This is the telephone effect.
Anyway, that's what this sounds like. I'm looking forward to using some of this stuff and doing some interviews, but I think this will help with a lot of stuff. So, stoked about that. Can I really go and play this moment to moment? Oh my god, just so many toys. I'm so happy. It's funny to say that this is like our second show because we've been in previews for like a month. So I'll let you decide what it is. I'm hoping this sweatshirt lasts me on the walk back. Not worried about there, but it might get cold later. Oh, thank you. Did you like it?
Great.
Thank you, David and George. Opening part 2. There's so much food here.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, you better wear that sweatshirt. Yes!
This is how every show should be. Our second official show done. It went really, really well. The pizza was a bittersweet idea. I'm tasting the bitterness of it now. Leaving the theater now. So great to see so many good friends and faces. Yeah, it was good. So awkward walking down this hallway when people come and I'm filming myself. Anyway, yeah, headed home now. Alright, back home after the show. It was great. Great day today. So much fun opening night last night. Still reveling in it. Can't wait for 2 more tomorrow. It's going to be good. Then our day off. Until then, it's vlog time. See you tomorrow.
I should put on auto-tune.